Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can paint in Meccha Chameleon. It is a little bit more difficult to be the hider. Is that the word for it? I don't really know. But basically, you have to match yourself with the colors and stuff like that. But first, we can pose. So press R to pose, and I'm just going to press Control to kind of lower myself. If you see this notification move to another place a little bit, you can see it from the side. This is just an example, by the way. This is not a very good hiding spot. But I'm just trying to show you if you want to use the metallic color, the metallic material, I mean. You know what? Let's just do it on this face here. So let me just press R and let's do this pose. I'm just gonna kind of zoom in here and just put myself against the base, the boss, whatever you want to call it. Go to F for the paint mode and press the space bar to get the color. You do have to change the adjustment of the metallic and roughness if you'd like to. And if you want to change the brush size, press the right click mouse button and drag it to the right or left. So right or left. Let's just choose the right one here. And as you can see, it's not shiny enough for me. So I'm just going to adjust the roughness here. And as you can see, it's going to be a little bit more shiny. Again, this is not the best hiding spot, but I'm just going to show you guys the colors and stuff like that. And if you want to go down, just press Control. Okay, make sure you get out of that first. And then if you want to see if you did a good job, you're just going to press, I think, 5 first. And then you're just going to press 4. So you can kind of move and see from afar. If you can't see that, that means you didn't do a good job. If you want to move out of it, just go back and press 4 and 5. And then you can kind of move somewhere else. To run, just press Shift and try to find another spot. Basically, you can dress up as balloons here. So R and then press this one. And then move your body here. Okay, but not where it's buried too much. I don't think it's buried too much. Okay, guys gotta adjust. Or let's press the L here. Okay. That's also not a great hiding spot, but we're just gonna, oops. Oh my gosh, why is it still buried too much? It's not even buried that much. That was such a perfect spot, but now I'm trying to move myself around and it's not working. Maybe I'll try somewhere here. Okay. And then okay, this is bad, but it's funny. And then again, press the spacebar. I'm just going to do this kind of balloon. And as you can see, it's very shiny and hopefully people don't notice, but obviously the shape of your body can really give it away. Okay. Maybe if you go up a little bit, hold on. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's fine. But if you look from below, maybe you'll get caught. Also, I would like to mention that you can taunt the seekers as well by pressing 1. And it's just going to whistle and give them kind of like a clue on where you are, because the louder the whistle is, the like closer you are to the like runner, I guess. And also it can be automatic. If you see there's an hourglass at the like top, you'll see like how many seconds the person who made the server like set it up to be. So for this one it was 25 seconds. So every 25 seconds it's going to whistle, so that it's going to make the like hunters game, nope, it's going to make it easier for the hunter to like spot you, pretty much. But that's how you can play Meccha Chameleon. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!